Hello friends, welcome to Feedly. Feedly is a news aggregator application which can be used in browsers as well as in iOS and Android mobile phones. It compiles news feeds and articles from a various online sources for the users to read and get knowledge in a single platform named Feedly. Here we can get started free account or you can sign up using Google account or other social networking platforms like Facebook, Twitter, etc. Here I already signed up and going to login. Feedly was first released in 2008. After login, we can see the dashboard of our account. Here we can create feeds and also add articles on it. It's a new feed creation button and this is the article creating button. Then there are various category based articles or latest news we can follow to read latest content regularly. Feedly shows some categories to select a topic or the contents. We can search in different language also. Here we selecting the language. Then we can select an interest topic to read by clicking the follow button nearby the search article title. This is our follow button. When we see a topic, it shows the articles are there from how many sources. That given below. We can follow all of them by adding to our feed category. There are many content in search source. We can create new feed based on our interest. As we said that Feedly is a news aggregator, we can get all latest news updates and whenever we get time or we have to schedule time to read. We can customize and share the contents with others too. We can add the contents based on the topic like digital marketing and can search its best articles to read and learn. And also we can add it to the category we created in feeds. Here we can add the content. Many articles are available. One, one article we selected, then we added to the created feed. Then that is shown below the digital marketing. Many content creators publish their articles in their website or in different platforms. All that articles fetched by Feedly application and display on the search list. So we have to see lots of articles. It's very easy to find and follow new articles from the author. So I hope you all like this application. Thank you.